Hey guys! Welcome back to
MaamCee TV!
Yay! So for today's video, I am with my vlog buddy, Clyde, David. Just say hi to them.
Hi!
Hi! Hi! You say hi.
Hi!
So for today's video, we are gonna open.
Two Lazadas!
Yay! So you show them. What is that? Lazada. So malapit na nga po ang pasukan and time for schooling na. So since Clyde 4, so tuturuan na namin siyang magsulat. Kaya lang medyo struggle talaga siya kasi hindi pa siya ganun ka marunong maghawak ng pen. So, may nakita kami online and in-order nga po namin. So, let's see if maganda nga talaga siyang training para sa mga beginner na magsulat. So, are you excited to open?
Yeah!
Yes! So, let's open na. Let's open. Let's open from Lazada. By the way, na-sanitize na to kanina. In-alcohol na namin muna bago ko pinahawak sa kanya. And what is this?
Letter! Yes!
Wow! So you are going to study now. So let us see. Let's open.
Yes, open it. This is a puppy. There's letters. Letters.
In fairness ang hirap buksan. Talagang well sealed siya. Don't jump. This is properly. So, here it is, guys. So, what is that?
Wow, it's letters to help.
What can you say about it?
Look, his toys. Kara's toys.
That's not a toy. You are going to use that in your pen so that your hands will not hurt. So are you excited to use it?
Yeah.
Oh, so he's excited to use it. Let's open.
Let's open it again.
Yeah. Let's open. Wow. You got. Wow.
Wow. What's this? No.
Wow. So the package contains 4 notebooks. And so the first one is about number.
One.
The second one is about drawing. Wait lang. The first one is about the number. So magte-trace lang siya, tracing numbers. So, mamaya itatry natin sa kanya. Excited. Wow! Oh, let me see. And the second one is for drawing. So, meron siyang sample shapes. Asan na ba? Yan. So, yan. Nandyan. To let them draw. And the third one is the alphabet. So, yes. Yan. So, yan. And the fourth one is the math. So, siguro hindi muna natin ito gagamitin. We are going to focus first in drawing or maybe in the letters. Wow! What's that?
Go to vegetables, lemon, banana, orange, apple.
Actually, he can identify now different shapes or different things. It's just he can't write. So he will start having his tracing letters, shapes, and so forth. So, try na natin. And inclusion nung tracing letters, meron siyang pen na gagamitin, and meron din siyang mga, how many pieces it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces na refilling ink. So, yan. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's start? So, which one? So, let's start with this one. So, let's start. This one first. This one first. Let's try?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. So guys, tapos na kami sa first page. So, did you have fun? Did you enjoy?
Yeah, and I find to play.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I'm funny to play to Lazada
Did you have fun?
Yes, to
Yes.
do the books and pencils to funnies.
Yay!
Yay! You want to do the body?
So actually guys, after few minutes, kusa siyang nag-fade yung ink. So you don't need to erase it. And true nga yung nakita namin sa online or sa Facebook, pwede mo siyang gamitin or ulit-ulitin.
Tingnan ko nga.
Yan, unti-unti siya, katulad kanina nauna. Nag-fade na siya, nawala. And then, mamaya, pwede ulit gamitin ito or maybe tomorrow.
Oh.
Yan. So, ayan guys. So, one step at a time. So, hindi muna namin papagamit sa kanya yung ibang notebook. So, we are going to focus first online since kakasimula pa lang niya and talaga mag-start pa lang talaga siyang matuto how to write. So, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I got the fun to do the part, the boat, and the sun.
The sun.
And some dummy to write the pencil right, guys.
So, see you next time, guys. So, that's for today. So, masasabi lang namin dito masasabi lang namin is maganda siyang training para sa mga beginners talaga at magsisimula pa lang siya magsimula. So, very colorful din siya. So, I'm very pretty sure that the kids will really love this. Just like what happened to him, to Clyde. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
My brain is stronger now.
Are you going to write tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's for it for today, guys. So I am recommending this for moms or sa may mga pamangkin or kapatid na young ones. This notebook is good for ages 3 years old and above. Lalo na sa mga magsisimula pa lang magsulat, more mag-train magsulat. So, this is very advisable. So, maganda po talaga siya, guys. So, for today, guys, so, once again, I am MaamCee and this is
Fly TV.
Lakasan mo.
Fly TV!
And see you again, guys. Bye!